Alright, now welcome to Talk Am As E Be. Now here we dey give now everything as e dey drop hot live. So wetin we get for una today, we go first talk about date in history. Yes, today's date in history. Then we go give una trending. We go talk about the trending news. We go talk about culture. Then we go come give una entertainment before we come round am up with other spicy. Don't forget say we still get idiom wey we go knack inside this one. So we go start when we come back. I still be your pikin Ozo Baba. Your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. Alright. Alright. Now welcome back. Let's talk about today's. Today is 16, September 16. What is important day for today? Today is Nigerian Flag Day. Yes, the Flag Day. Today, 16 September, na day wey history don mark. For this day, in 1963, Nigeria signed as first time we get our own national flag wey dey represent us as one people. E no easy, but we don dey carry am proudly ever since. So as we dey waka today, make we remember say unity na strength. Alright, una don hear that one na the history for today, Nigerian flag. I know say many no even know say na today we start to use our green, white, green flag. Yes, na today we start to use am. But don't forget to subscribe, like, follow us. This one na the ogbonge first episode wey we dey drop for Talk Am As E Be channel. Alright, wetin we go talk about na funny African idioms. Yeah, you know those idioms wey some go tell you say if yansh no dey, abi if leg no dey, yansh no fit do shakara. So we get the ones wey we go give now. Make una sit down, cross your feet, make we dey start am. Alright, make we talk about the idioms now. Dog wey wan lost no dey hear hunter whistle. My people, some people no dey hear word o. Even if you blow whistle tire, they go still waka enter wahala. Yes, they go still enter wahala. They no dey hear o. You blow, they go still enter wahala. The second one be, if soup sweet too much, na yam dey suffer. Enjoyment wey sweet, but something dey pay the price. Just like soup wey sweet, na yam dey first finish. You understand that one na? Na yam dey first finish o. So you go think am for your life. Alright, the third one be say, na person wey chop belle full dey fit hear better gist. Yes, person wey chop belle full, na him dey fit hear better gist. You wan gist person wey never chop since morning? I guy forget am. Food first, gist later. And so they go tell you. Even during election, you know wetin they go dey tell you be that. Say me wey I never chop, you know. That's why people dey vote. Well, you know who you vote for, sha. I no wan talk that one. The next one be say, fowl wey dey find worm no dey fear dirty ground o. Yes, fowl wey dey find worm no dey fear dirty ground. To succeed, sometimes you gats dirty your hands small. Na so fowl dey dig ground find food. Then the next one be goat wey wan die no dey fear knife. Goat wey wan die no dey fear knife. Alright, you remember when government say smokers are liable to die young? Na that time our people even begin dey Alright, the next one be say, if monkey no climb tree, who go sabi say e get tail? If monkey no climb tree, who go sabi say e get tail? Until you try something, nobody go know say you get the power. Monkey must climb before tail show. Say, you know now, if people dey criticize you, you no need to watch them. You do something. Once you succeed, people go begin join you. Yeah, they go join you. Just forget, no look where other people dey look. Be focused. Alright, the next thing the one wey we dey talk about now be say, pikin wey say im papa no go sleep, na mosquito go first bite am. Yes, pikin wey say im papa no go sleep, na mosquito go first bite am. Wahala no dey end well for person wey start am. If you disturb papa, mosquito go disturb you first for night. So no disturb papa, so mosquito no go disturb you. No follow goat enter market if you no wan hear smell. Yes, no follow goat enter market if you no wan hear smell. If your friend dey smell wahala, my brother abeg no follow am waka o, you go smell am too. Yes, if your friend sabi trouble and you still dey follow am waka, you sef, if dem dey call people wey get wahala, dem go mention you join. That one na simple logic. Yes, person wey thief before, when something lost beside am, na him be the first suspect o. Then the next one be say na the same leg goat take waka reach Lagos, e go use return village. The koko be say no matter how far person waka, e still go remember home. Lagos or village, na the same leg go carry am. Yeah, you know, we go always talk say, home is sweet o, home is sweet o. Na wetin e mean be that. Always remember home. Na leg you go take waka. Na you wan take leg waka? I don't know for you. If you go take leg waka, na you sabi. If lizard fall from tree and nobody hail am, e go hail himself. Sometimes you gats clap for yourself when nobody clap for you. Lizard no dey wait for nobody o. Sometimes you got to clap for yourself when nobody dey clap. Yes, lizard no dey wait for anybody to cheer am o. You go see say when e don drop for ground, e go shake head. If you no praise me, I praise yourself. So any small thing wey you do, you dey praise yourself. No wait for anybody o. You no dey wait for people to say, hey, praise yourself. You wake up in the morning, praise yourself, praise God, say thank you for keeping me alive to see today. Always. Even some go say dem no dey mark by my guy, no follow them. If the money dey, you get the opportunity, sit down one corner, quaff one bottle, relax. Chicken, you no dey for wahala. When we come back, we will continue for where we drop this one. Alright, welcome back. The next one are the trending story for time, Guinness Book of Record. Who break this Guinness Book of Record? We all know that lady wey cook plenty rice, Now the video you dey see so. Yes, for trending news today, na Hilda Baci dey trend. She don break Guinness World Record for the largest serving of Nigerian style jollof rice. Chef Hilda cooked 8,780 kilograms of rice for Lagos, and Guinness don confirm am. Na big win for our food culture, and Hilda sef big ups to am. But wetin me I don't know for this story wey dem say the trend be say wetin dem write give us online be say e serve plenty people. Yes, e serve plenty people. So the koko dem say cook with biggest pot. So which of the record be the koko wey people dey look say na him dem give am? Abeg Hilda, make you come talk am because people don dey gist am about am. Alright, na Hilda story you don hear. Make we go to entertainment. BB Naija. Na the video you see, those guys, this girl, this guy, they don comot them, they don evict them. They go say eviction. So they don comot two of them. The thing shock them. Yes, it shock them for BB Naija season 10. Wey dey hot. Denari and Tracy don pack their bags. They don evict, but Zita still dey shine as head of house. Drama dey o, and the housemaid no wan dull. Who go win this season? We go see how e go play out. So na the BB Naija season 10. Na in the trend on social media. To itself the trend. Then the koko now be say, how many people remember Argungu festival? Yes, we get plenty festival for Nigeria, but how many dey trend now? How many kids fit talk about? But the Argungu festival, the governor talk say, since the Argungu festival dey come, Kebbi State governor don talk say dem go reposition am to become global attraction. This festival dey showcase our rich culture from fishing to dance. If you never attend, my brother, you dey miss out. Time to plan for the next one. Alright, you don hear am. Na the time to plan for the next one, Argungu festival. If you go there, you go see big fish. People dey catch different fish. Alright, we don come back. If you like wetin you hear, wetin you dey feel, to encourage us, subscribe, like, share the video. Make people sef dey enjoy as you dey enjoy. Make we dey flex, enjoy the thing together. I still be Ozo Papa. Your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. Make we see very soon.